Today, let's have a reading practice using basic sentences.
Let's read. My pencil is long. My pencil is long. Let's read. The strawberry is yummy. The strawberry is yummy. Let's read. My bed is soft. My bed is soft. Let's read. I pick up a shell. I pick up a shell. Let's read. I ride a bus. I ride a bus. Let's read. The drum is noisy. The drum is noisy. Let's read. The iron is hot. The iron is hot. Let's read. I have a new phone. I have a new phone. Let's read. I fried an egg. I fried an egg. Let's read. I see a tree. I see a tree. Let's read. Mom bought me chips. Mom bought me chips. Let's read. I like to buy pizza. I like to buy pizza. Let's read. The earth is round. The earth is round. Let's read. I bake cookies. I bake cookies. Let's read. The heart is red. The heart is red. Let's read. I have a new mug. I have a new mug. Let's read. I love to eat hamburgers. I love to eat hamburgers. Let's read. The ice cream is delicious. The ice cream is delicious. Let's read. The candy is sweet. The candy is sweet. Let's read. I hung the clock. I hung the clock. Let's read. I love strawberry jam. I love strawberry jam. Let's read. My sister bakes a cupcake. My sister bakes a cupcake. Let's read. Monkeys like to eat bananas. Monkeys like to eat bananas. Let's read. I drive a motorcycle. I drive a motorcycle.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.